Hello students, we have a question. A conductor lies along z-axis. These are the coordinate points of the extreme points of the length of the conductor. This is the one point. This is another point. So its length is 3 meter and carries a fixed current of 10 ampere in negative of z direction. It means the current is moving downward as we can see in the figure. For a field B is equal to 3 into 10 to the power minus 4 e to the power minus 0.2 x in positive y direction. The unit is Tesla. So we can see this is the magnetic field which is moving towards the positive y axis. Now find the power required to move the conductor at speed which is constant to x is equal to 2 meter, y is equal to 0 meter in time 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 seconds. Assume parallel motion along xa. So in this question we can see that power required is equal to work done by time taken. So we have the amount of work done to be f dot dx. This is to be integrated with the limits of positions and divided by t. Now if we talk about this force F, so we very well know when a conductive material moves, this is a conductive material, moves with some velocity in the presence of magnetic field. So we have the formula as F is equal to BIL sine theta, where theta is the angle between B and L. So in this situation we have sine 90 degree. So we directly write BIL dot dx, and this integration is to be done from the first position to the next position, that is from 0 in this direction, that is 2. So we have 0 to 2 limits and we have the time in division. So this is the basic equation we got for the power. So power is equal to, we will put the values 0 to 2 limit. B is given as 3 into 10 to the power minus 4 into E minus of 0.2 x, and the next value given to us is I, which is 10 ampere, and the next value given to us is length. The value of length, we can see that this is positive 1.5, this is negative 1.5. So the value of L is 3 meter. So we put the value 3. Now we are dividing this with the given time, and the time given to us is 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 seconds. So on solving, we are getting the value as 9 into 10 to the power minus 3 to be common, divided by 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 to be common, and on integrating the remaining term of 0 to 2 limit with an e to the power minus 0.2x dot dx. So we solve this. P is equal to 9 into 10 to the power minus 3 upon 5 into 10 to the power minus 3, and we are getting the value as e minus 0.2 x divided by whatever the constant is there with x. We introduce the limit is 0 to 2, so we have the value, so we get the value of p to be equals to 9, and in bracket we get the value e to the power minus of e to the power minus 0.4, and minus minus gets plus 1. So on solving this, we are getting the value which is equal to 2.97 watt approximately. So option 4 is the correct answer of this problem. Thank you.
हाय गाइस, यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन दे रखा है। इस क्वेश्चन में बोला गया है द एम्पलीट्यूड ऑफ ए डैम्प्ड ऑसिलेटर डिक्रीजेस अप टू 0.9 टाइम्स of its original magnitude 5 seconds. In another 10 seconds, it will decrease up to alpha times of original one. When the alpha is equals to, देखिए इसका हमको फॉर्मूला पता होता है a at the time t is equals to कितना होता है e to the power a e naught e to the power minus kt. तो पहले 5 सेकंड में कितना हो रहा है 0.9 टाइम्स हो रहा है, तो 0.9 टाइम्स ऑफ a naught is equals to a naught e to the power minus 5k. ठीक है, इसको इक्वेशन नंबर 4 बोल दिया मैंने। तो देखिए यहाँ से a नॉट से a नॉट कैंसिल, तो यहाँ से e टू दी पावर माइनस 5k की वैल्यू कितनी आ गई 0.9। अब बोला गया नेक्स्ट 10 सेकंड में, यानी 5 के बाद और 5 के बाद नेक्स्ट 10 यानी कि 15 में, यानी कि ये कितना हो जाता है अल्फा टाइम्स ऑफ a नॉट हो जाता है नेक्स्ट 15 सेकंड में, यानी कि a नॉट e टू दी पावर माइनस ऑफ 15k। तो यहाँ से क्या आ गया e टू दी पावर माइनस 15 k इंटू 15 इक्वल्स टू कितना आ गया अल्फा। तो मैं इसको ऐसे लिख सकता हूँ अल्फा को मैंने लिख दिया e टू दी पावर माइनस 5k का होल क्यूब। ये कितना है 0.9, तो ये कितना हो गया 0.9 का होल क्यूब, तो यहाँ से कितना आ गया 0.729। सो ऑप्शन नंबर 3 इज द करेक्ट आंसर। थैंक यू।